Hello my pretty people, how you all doing? I hope you guys are doing well. Okay, today I'll be making afang soup, authentic afang soup. Afang soup I went to Harvard. That is what I'm going to be making today, and I'll be showing you how to make this afang to your taste. While we're on it, please, I would like to correct something here. See, I've noticed that most of this new generation chef use onion, garlic and ginger to make afang soup. Please, it's just a warning. Please stop it. If you don't know how to make afang soup, please leave it for people that knows how to prepare it. Or you can ask question, which one is using onion, garlic and ginger to make afang soup? I'm saying this because I've experienced something like this before. I went out to eat in a restaurant and I saw garlic and ginger inside afang soup. In fact, at that moment, I dropped that soup. I didn't even eat. I just dropped that soup at that moment. Please, all this new chef, Mbok, you guys should do better. You guys should do better. See, usen finger momo wo ya onions and ginger at the very fang. Nga toita. Nga beni pa me and the same way then please. Don't come and spoil soup for us. Don't do that. Why we on this? I would like to answer these questions. I've been getting a lot of questions like, what is so special about afang soup? Now let me explain. Afang soup is not like normal random soup that you just cook in less than 30 minutes, 20 minutes, you're done cooking. No, afang soup takes time. It takes time. The preparation, everything around it takes time. Secondly, for you to cook the soup, you have to spend money. I mean, you gotta spend money. Do you get it? Now, the third one is the leaf, which is the afang leaf. This afang leaf has this strong aroma. Once you add it into your pot, the aroma alone, the aroma alone will fill your kitchen. It has this sweet, strong aroma. Do you get? Then, the fourth one is the taste. There is nobody, I've not seen anyone that's tasted afang soup and rejects it. No, I've never seen. Once you taste it, you keep enjoying it. So another thing to know is that this soup, afang soup, symbolize value, royalty, respect. If you visit an Akwa person for the first time and they don't serve you afang soup, just know that you are not valued. You are not welcome here in their family. You are not welcome to their home. The first thing Akwa person does for you is to serve you this soup, to serve you afang soup. It shows our culture. It shows the royalty, the value. Do you get it? So stay tuned, enjoy my cooking while I drop the story. Okay, please like, share and comment. I love you. See you on my next vlog.
I have been sleeping with my elder sister's husband for over a year now. The reason we started sleeping together was because my sister and this man have been married for over 5 years without having any child. My sister's husband started begging me a year ago to start sleeping with him so we can try for a baby because he did not want to have a baby outside our family. For the sake of this story, let's just assume that this girl's name is Princess. So according to Princess, she said her sister got married back in 2018. She said when her sister got married then, everybody in the family was very happy because she was getting married to a rich man. Based on the fact that Princess and her family were not well to do. Immediately her sister got married, she asked Princess to come and stay with her because Princess was in 200 level and her sister was the one that was paying all her school. Without hesitation, her parents accepted and Princess moved into her sister's house. Her elder sister and her husband kept taking care of Princess until she was done with her university. Fast forward to last year when Princess started doing her youth service. Princess was serving in the same state, so she was able to go from home. She said like 2 months into her service year, her sister had to travel to Dubai for business. And guys, that was when everything started. Princess said she was in her room one night when she heard a knock on the door and she went to open it. She saw her sister's husband. She was surprised at first because the man had never come to her room before. She greeted the man and invited him into the room. And the man told her to sit down, that he has something very important that he would like to discuss with her. The man started telling Princess about the fertility issues they were having in their marriage. He told her that he was fed up and he wanted to have a baby by all means. She said she was about to ask this man how the issue concerns her. Before she could even ask, this man broke out in tears and started begging her to sleep with him. That the reason why he's begging her is because he doesn't want to go outside to have sex with somebody else. He said he wanted to remain in the family, so he wants to have a baby with his wife's sister. Princess was also surprised about what this man was saying, so she asked this man if her sister was aware. The man said that her sister was not aware, but he just wants to do it codedly. If by adventure she gets pregnant, then you will know that the fault is from her sister. He promised Princess that immediately she gets pregnant that he was going to get married to her. And my people, that was how everything started. They started sleeping with each other every day. Even when her sister came back from her business trip, they still continued. The problem now is they've been sleeping together and she has not gotten pregnant. Now the man is getting tired of her. She said her sister had to travel again, but this time she didn't go for long. When her sister finally came back 2 weeks later, she found out that she was pregnant and her husband was overwhelmed with happiness. Oh my god, we don't have much time. Like and follow for part 2. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.